Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reset Microsoft password. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically you would need to go to the Microsoft 365.com and basically from there you will be able to change the password or go to the settings so you can manage your account. So we can simply go to the settings and more and then we go to settings. By going to settings, we will find like the dark mode and etc. Now let's just go to the account and from there you will need just to go to my Microsoft account. By going to my Microsoft account, you will be able to change your password. So you will be needing just to go to security and by going to security you can if you were already signed in you will be able like to log in and here you can just simply go to forgot password. By clicking on forgot your password, you will need to verify your identity. In my case, I had already, and basically, since I have like the two-factor authentication, I will need just to enter my code on my Authenticator app. If you have any other uh, verification method, you be free to do so. So I'm just going to click on next, and then you will be needing to enter the code from here. By entering the code, they will send you like a reset message. So let's just go and enter the code. And basically, after that, you will be prompted to change your code. That means you will be able to reset your code and you will need to enter your new password and you confirm your new password. And basically, by that, you will be able to completely uh, change your password on Microsoft. So simply, those were the steps on how you can change your password on uh, Microsoft. Thank you for watching and see you next time.